When we're selling to end users, apartment buildings, condos, co-ops, we're selling the Hercules brand as well as the Maytag brand. We sell our service and the serviceability of the Maytag machines itself. We sell the controls of the MAT20. We show them how easy it is for the residents to use, how many options they get. And we also sell them on Connect 360, how they like that we have the ability to get service codes. They don't even have to call it in. We know that the machine's out of order. So they like that because it's just very proactive service. And their machines are fixed quicker, which means that more money generated because there's more washes being done.
The serviceability of an MAT20 has impacted my customers because my service techs don't need to be there very long. They have quick access, they know how to get to the machine quickly, get to the necessary location that's causing an issue, and the repairs are done quickly and efficiently. Less time on site means lower service bills.